Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the SHIB update today. So SHIB keeps on looking just pretty normal, and out of all the altcoins that I've seen, or many coins out there, SHIB is the only one that has not really made any move, any significant move. Even Bitcoin is right now trading at $45,000. So when Bitcoin was down at 24, SHIB was pretty much at the very same price level. Now that Bitcoin is at 45, SHIB is still at the very same place. So I don't see any signs of the market coming down, at least for now, because a lot of coins have inverse head and shoulder. A lot of them have cup and handles. DOT has good patterns. Dogecoin has good patterns. By the way, it's 10th anniversary of Dogecoin yesterday, I guess. So Dogecoin completes the 10 years of being out there, of mocking Bitcoin, because it was made as a meme coin to mock Bitcoin. And right now, as far as SHIB is concerned, we have to still see another move push up to 1,150. So our entries are still down at 840. That's going to be nearly a 35% profit. Now anyways, keep in mind that I talked about it before, that you do have a double bottom here, and that's actually very visible on the weekly. So coming up to 1144 or 1150, rounding off the number, understand the following. Actually, let's remove some few drawings so that I can tell you in a much more better way. So remove that, remove this one, and before I tell you the bigger picture, let me show you the smaller one. So you do have this one small pattern. You wind up like this, you push above it. So basically you perhaps might be just touching 944. So you touch 944, you can even get some few entries here, and then you push all the way up to 1148, and that's going to be almost a price appreciation of 20%. Okay, so you do have a smaller pattern with a 20%, at least for now. Now this one was a smaller one, right? And when you go up there, you see, when you go to that technical target, it makes a lot of sense, because that's where you also have some resistance here. So you see that you do have that little bit of resistance going on. So coming up here, coming up like this, coming up to 1144 and 1155 is going to be this one big huge resistance that, you know, SHIB is trying to break above. Now of course you have to understand that this line that I just draw is known as the neckline, and you do have the double bottom here. So just in case you ever see SHIB doing something like this, which I expect to happen now, because SHIB is the only coin, again, SHIB is the only coin that has not moved just yet. Solana was down at $14, and you know, SHIB was also at the same price. Matic went up to $1.5 from $0.35. SHIB didn't move. So SHIB is the only coin right now that I think has to make a move, and it's about time. Maybe it's taken a lot of time, I understand, and who knows when it's going to happen. But when it happens, it happens. Now the thing is, I'm going to close by saying that if you do come up here like this, you break above, then you're looking for another technical target up to 1587. Now I do expect SHIB to do at least 1587. That's where we might see SHIB going in the next coming few days. And that's it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.